What's up, guys? It's your boy Andy back with another car video. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be working on the Jeep again. All right, guys, so today we're going to be fixing these lights that go into this console, your parking, reverse, neutral, drive. They don't work, and it doesn't take a fuse, guys. It just takes regular old little light bulbs. So yeah, they are tiny, guys. If you ever have this problem, the number is 2721. That's the number you need for these bulbs. Get them at AutoZone, wherever. But yeah, so what you're going to have to do this is shift your four-wheel drive into floor high, like that, to where it's straight up. Then you're going to pull your e-brake all the way up as hard as you can. I already did that. And this knob, you're going to have to take off by pulling straight up. Yeah, you're gonna have to pull the crap out of that knob to get it up. All right, guys, this is gonna stink. Let the parking brake down because it's gonna go into a place where I don't want it to go into. All right. Oh gosh, dude, this thing is hard. Ah, there it went. Got it off. Woohoo! I mean, guys, you have to pull the freak out of this thing. All right, so got that off. Oh. Now, what you want to do? Pull the e-brake. Pop the console. Like that. Almost gets it past the... Oh, there it goes. Just slide it right out. Like that. Put it over here. Grab the camera. Alright, guys. Now that you got the console apart, your little bulb is right here. Just pull it out. And, yeah. Since this one's no good, you could touch it with your hand. Just pull it on out. However, the new one, though, you probably want to wear a glove so the oil doesn't transfer from your hands to the bulb, which will burn it out faster. All right, before you put it back together, guys, test it and see if it works. All right, the lights come on. Yay! Now you're ready to put it back the way you took it apart. All right, guys, so once you get the console back together, guys, this knob that was so hard to get off, watch. Boom. For real, that's all you had to do. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace. Stay amazing.